All participants, please open our studio and type done within the Zoom chat. In our previous class, we have done work for descriptive statistic. Today, we will work for t-test. And today you will do this step. I will just watch and guide you, or if you found any issue, you can seek help. So today your task is t-test. Few questions which should be arise in your mind. Question number 1, what is t-test? Second question which should be in your mind, why do we perform t-test? Third question, type of ANOVA. Third question, type of ANOVA. Third question which should be arise in your mind, type of t-test. And fourth question is how to arrange data for t-test.
কিতা গো কিতা তোমরা এটা করো কি
How to arrange data for t-test. So first ask these three questions. Copy. Open ChatGPT and type this question here and send message. It will give you reply. A t-test is a statistical test used to compare the mean of one or two group and determine if the difference between them are statistically significant. So you can apply t-test if you only have two group. If you have more than two group, then you are unable to perform t-test. If you have three group, you need to move toward ANOVA. So I am sending this information within group. Copy. And here is group. No, please, all participants have 5 minutes. Read all these notes which I have shared in group. Please, all participants, read this information and type done. I am waiting for your reply for 10 minutes. Sorry, 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will give you second task. Please read these notes which I have sent in WhatsApp group. I am also sending in Zoom chat. But I think Zoom chat is not allowing me big file. sample data table for each type of t-test. Okay, now I am waiting. Please read. And after read, type done within Zoom chat. There are three main type of t-test. One sample t-test, two sample t-test, and paired sample t-test. Read each and every word carefully. And if you have any confusion or want to ask any question, you will be allowed to ask your question. Okay, if you have two variables, you want to compare groups. For example, if your field of study is business and you want to compare two products or two things, you want to compare the price of PC and laptop, or you want to compare the sale of different products. For example, you want to compare the sale of laptop and PC. No, you have two group. One is laptop, second is PC. You can apply t-test to compare these two groups. If you have more than two groups, for example, you want to compare PC, laptop, and mobile phone, then you will be unable to compare these two then three things by applying t-test. Then you need ANOVA. And if you have more than three group, you will perform ANOVA. Clear, Mazrul Alam? Okay, thank you. Now please read and type done after reading. Okay. Now the next step, sample data table for each type of t-test. Send this message. It will give you sample data table for each type of t-test. You can watch this data, you can check this data and arrange your own data set according to the sample data. Here is the sample data. And if you write a message to ChatGPT, thanks. Now I need this data in Excel sheet. It will give you this data in Excel sheet. I have generated Excel sheet successfully. Today, I will not send you Excel sheet. You will generate your own Excel sheet according to your own field of study. For example, please all participant, listen me carefully. Know your task is t-test and you will perform t-test alonely. But if at any stage, if you found any error or any issue, you can ask. So please listen your task carefully. First ask these three questions from ChatGPT and read. Then write a message to ChatGPT. I need sample data table for each type of t-test. It will give you a sample data table. And then generate sample data table from ChatGPT in Excel sheet. After generating, I am typing here step. First step, solve this question, then get sample data and in Excel sheet, from ChatGPT and import in R, take str. It will give you different sheets. For example, one sample t-test will be first sheet, and two sample t-test will be on second sheet, and pair sample t-test on third sheet. So you will import all sheets one by one as you have done in the case of descriptive statistics. First import first file and perform work, then move to second sheet, and then move to third sheet. Take str and perform your work. If you have any question, you can ask. If clear, type clear and start your task. No, I am just watching your work. If clear, type clear and start your task. If you have any question related to today task, you can ask. Please all participant confirm me. Yes. Your question is how can I able to make? Mazrul Alam, if you want to ask about your own data set, then first step is generate your sample data from ChatGPT and arrange your data set according to this sample data. For example, here is the sample data for descriptive statistics. You can arrange your own data according to this, or you can generate data from sample data from ChatGPT and arrange your own data set like t-test and other sample data.